Yo, what's up everyone and welcome to another video. But first, I need to put some repellent on. These mosquitoes are no joke. For some reason, mosquitoes just love me. I don't know what the issue is. Alright, now that we got all the mosquito repellent on me so they won't bite me, I want to share with you guys my secret to washing my Tesla Model 3. And this doesn't just work with this vehicle, it can work with any vehicle that you have. Okay, so now that that's out of the way, this doesn't just work with Teslas. You can use this for any car that you currently own. So don't feel like this is only for Teslas, but this is what actually works for me and what I have been using, and I'm super happy to share this with you guys. So this product that I want to share with you guys is the multi-purpose cleaner from Legacy of Clean. This is an amazing product, and it lasts me so long, and it's super cheap too. Let me read you guys the instruction, but I'm gonna put something up here on the screen so you guys can see it too. It says, if you could only have one cleaning product in your home, this will be the one. It can be used on all washable items and surfaces, even in your hands. Super effective, super versatile, LOC multi-purpose cleaner. It's always the right choice. It's the perfect clean for any surface. But I'm gonna show you just how much you need every time you're gonna wash your car. All right, so the first step that I do is I grab a bucket, right? An empty bucket. It's kind of dirty. What we can do is we can just rinse it a little bit. And now we're just gonna fill it up with water. That's not that much water, just a tiny bit. As you can see, it's not that much water. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our multi-purpose cleaner. How much do you guys think we need to wash the entire car? So look at how much I drop. You guys see that? Only one little tiny drop, nothing else. And my car is pretty dirty. We see we have some bird poop. You guys pretty much saw the little bit, the tiny bit that I put on there, and it's gonna give me to wash the entire car. And I think it should be more than enough. So with this product, you can honestly clean your car for, I would say, 100 times. And I bet you can do that. Plus, it's super cheap. It's gonna last you long, and stay tuned for the end of the video so I can show you how much it costs and where to get it. I mean, before we actually start with the whole, cleaning of the car, I usually just like to throw some water over it just so it can, be easier for when you go and clean the car. Alright, so after I get the car pretty much wet for the first time, then I just grab my sponge here that I use. I just dip it in here. And I want you guys to see how it's already making some foam. Look at that, oh my god, it's amazing. Pretty crazy, right? And we only put just a tiny bit on there.
Damn, boy, he's thick, boy!
Fun fact also, this product, after it's clean, it creates like a protection layer where the car takes longer to get dirty back again. So it protects it from the dust, from the bugs, and anything that can get the car dirty. It lasts a little bit more. Alright, now that washing is complete and I only have a little bit of product left, I just kind of throw it over the car because it's more than enough to clean the whole entire car. Next step, rinse. I'm getting old. I need to go back to the gym. Rinse is done. The next step will be just to, dry it off with a towel. I usually go around and dry the whole car up, and that's about it. This is pretty much for people that want to take care of their cars at home and they don't really want to be taking it to a car wash, because one, car wash is going to scratch your car paint. So if you care about your car, it doesn't matter if it's a Tesla, it doesn't matter what car it is, don't take it to a car wash. You either get a detail or do it on your own at home, now that everyone is kind of at home looking for projects to do. And just like I told you guys from the beginning, I'm going to be leaving all the links down in the description to where you can get this bottle. And you don't really use this for your car only, you can literally use this for anything. That's why it's called multi-purpose cleaner. I just use it for my car. And just imagine how much a great product like this costs. Give me them drum rolls. Only $10. What? That's crazy. So I'm gonna leave links in the description with all the details about this product, all the detail about where you can get it. And also, if you wanna get this product for cheaper than 10 bucks, make sure you go over to my Instagram. I'm gonna leave it right here. So you guys can ask me on the DMs and I will let you guys know of a little secret of how you can get this product for cheaper and have your car looking clean. See you guys later. Make sure to subscribe, please, because we're almost at 200 subscribers. Thank you so much for the love on my previous videos about my Tesla. I want to continue doing videos like this, so let me know in the comments below what you might want to see. Leave a comment down in the description if you liked it or not. Leave a like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'm out.